Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to message seller on DHgate. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. So for example, if you're viewing any kind of product and if you want to message the seller regarding that, in that case, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the seller name over here. You'll also be able to find the option for positive feedback, orders, on-time delivery, follow, chat. So if you want to message the seller, tap on the chat option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the chat box will be opened. Now from here, you'll be able to message the seller. Simply tap on the message bar. Now type in your message. Now after typing in the message, what you can do is tap on the send option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here the message will be sent. So like this, you'll be able to message the seller. So that is how you message seller on DHgate. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.